Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Huawei phone stuck in recovery mode. Huawei's recovery mode, which is also called eRecovery, shows with a EMUI screen. It's a useful troubleshooting mode that you can access the phone when it can't boot up or is unresponsive to fix any system issues by performing a restart, update, factory reset and so on. It's good until you experience a Huawei phone stuck in recovery mode. Maybe the phone won't load but stuck in EMUI or eRecovery screen. Perhaps it gets stuck getting package info failed or download latest version and recovery failed. Or, the worst is that you can't enter recovery mode as you're stuck midway. No fret. There is still a hope to resolve Huawei phone stuck in eRecovery mode. Now, keep watching this video and try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. What does it mean when your Huawei phone is stuck in recovery mode? It often indicates that there is something wrong with the software or, for example, software/system problems. A bug in the phone system or a failed upgrade may cause system errors and fail to boot normally, and can only enter recovery mode. Third-party software impact. Some third-party applications may affect system startup after installation, making the phone unable to exit recovery mode. Hardware problem. If there is a problem with the hardware inside the phone, it may also cause the phone to only enter recovery mode and cannot start normally. Or you just accidentally pressed a specific key combination to cause the Huawei phone to enter recovery mode. If so, then you just need to restart your Huawei phone. If your Huawei phone is in one of the above situations, how to fix Huawei phone stuck in recovery mode. You can try the methods in the video one by one. Together we will solve the problem of Huawei recovery mode not working. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment section below the video. We will reply you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the buttons or screen. If your Huawei phone is stuck in recovery mode, some Huawei phones in recovery mode cannot perform touchscreen operations. Therefore, you can only use the volume button and power button to select and confirm. Please check whether the buttons are working properly and whether there is any foreign object stuck in the buttons. If your Huawei phone is a newer model, you can try to click the restart option on the screen to exit recovery mode. If the above two methods do not work, then please continue to try the next method. Method 2 is to hard restart your Huawei phone. Force restart can force restart your Huawei phone, so if you can't solve the problem of Huawei phone gets stuck in recovery mode, you can also try to use force restart. Force restart, maybe it will give you a surprise. To force restart your Huawei phone, long press the combination of keys for force restarting your Huawei phone, power button and volume down button. Long press the combination of keys for 10 seconds or longer, and wait for the Huawei phone screen to when the logo or vibration appears. You can let go at this time, your Huawei phone will automatically restart, wait for the restart to complete, and check again whether you can enter the home screen normally. Method 3 is safe mode. If forced restart does not solve the problem of recovery mode stuck in Huawei phone, in order to check whether it is caused by a third-party application. You can also run your Huawei phone in safe mode directly in the recovery mode interface. To enter safe mode and recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the safe mode option and then use the power button to confirm. After that, your Huawei phone will automatically restart to safe mode. If you can enter the home screen normally after the restart is completed. There is a problem with the third-party application on the phone. Please find the application you think is problematic and delete it. Method 4 is to restore the factory settings. If you are still stuck in the recovery mode loop after selecting and confirming safe mode, then it is time to get Huawei phone back from recovery. This is your last resort, but a factory reset will erase all data from your phone's storage, including contacts, messages, media files, and apps stored in your phone's memory. Back up your data. Use the same buttons as the previous method. Use the volume up and down buttons to select clear data and press the power button to confirm. Then use the volume up and down buttons to select restore factory settings and press the power button to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After the factory reset is complete, click back to return to the recovery interface. Select and click restart here, and your Huawei phone will re-enter the device home interface. Finally, you can transfer your backed up data back to your Huawei phone. Method 5 is to seek professional help. If all the above solutions cannot exit Huawei phone recovery mode, then it is time to suspect whether there is a hardware failure or damaged. I recommend that you contact Huawei's official after-sales service center as soon as possible. They have a professional repair team that can accurately diagnose the root cause of the problem and provide professional repairs. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Wish you good luck.